Hey guys, it's Tia. So I'm pretty much going to show you guys how to distress your jeans like this pair that I have here. All you need is literally scissors and tweezers. That's it. I actually already started these pair of jeans. They are Levi's, so I recommend getting some actual jean material such as Levi's. If you use any other kind of jeans, like anything that contains stretchy material, it doesn't give the best outcome. They still look good, but I noticed when I do Levi's or anything that's actual jean material, the results are way better. They just look way better. Okay, getting straight into cutting, I'm gonna want to cut these lines as neat as possible. And you see I'm just gonna cut a little slit, then I'm gonna open the jeans back up so that I can just try to cut as neatly and as close as possible to the white threads, parallel with the white threads. Because if I cut all crooked, then I won't have any white threads to pull for the distressed look, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Also, I'm doing the lines at different lengths because I don't want that boxed look. If you do, then you would cut your lines, where you'll cut your little rips or whatever evenly. Okay, so yay, now we get to pull the tweezers out and we get to pluck and we get to actually start distressing the jeans. Now, as you can see what I was talking about, there's the white threads. They're kind of straying out from the jean. That means that I didn't cut evenly or perfectly, which is okay because for projects like this, the messier it is, the better outcome. So it's one of those things where it looks good either way. But I'm just going to move the threads with my finger, the ones that didn't make it, oh well. And then when I get the tweezers, I'm going to actually start to pull the first thread as neatly as possible. As you can see right now, I'm about to pull it. Try not to rip it. You see how when I pulled it, I just ripped it? Yeah. Try not to do that with all of them because you won't have any threads. So I'm going to keep doing that on each side, and then I'll have some leverage with the blue threads, and I'll use the tweezers to start plucking at it, and you'll see it to kind of thin it out. Okay, so now you can see that I'm starting to pull the blue threads. I got some leverage on each side where I can start tugging. It's going to be a little tough. You can be rough on this part. It doesn't matter. You might want to have a little bucket as well because as you can see as I'm pulling, it's going to get a little messy. All these blue threads are going in the trash, so you might want to have a little designated area. I don't mind getting messy or whatever, but you're going to have to clean. It's a little annoying to have to pick them up. But I'm pulling the blue threads, and the more you pull, the easier it will get. Okay, so yay, now they're done. That's it. You can kind of clean it up a little bit, do whatever, pick at them. As you can see, this is how it looks. It's going to come out looking just like this purse that I did here. If you machine wash and dry, which is the last step. You can choose to wear it the way it is, but if you machine wash and dry, and the more you wash it, it's going to look even better. The purse that I just showed, I used Levi jeans as well. I actually made that purse. And I promise you, if you do the same exact technique as I did in this video, it's going to look exactly the same. I mean, they even look good without being machine washed and dry. Once I flipped it inside out, it looks good, but it will look even better. And also, you notice when I don't cut the line straight, it gave this awesome shape. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.